Welcome back, gorgeous mama. Have you been wondering how you can use ChatGPT to plan international travel with kids? You found the right video. Hi, my name is Stephanie Calderon. I'm a certified essential oil specialist, and I've spent the past 6 years traveling full-time with my family in an RV. I have an 11-year-old daughter and a 15-year-old daughter, and we just embarked on our first international trip to France together as a family. I don't know about you, but when life is coming in, I'm super excited about a trip, but it also can be very overwhelming planning something like this. So I turned to ChatGPT, and I'm going to show you some of the prompts and things that I did to make it a lot easier to figure things out. So we're going to switch over to here. So you're going to go to chatgpt.com. And again, one of the biggest things that I've learned with it is learning how to prompt it to get the answers that you want. So here is the prompt that I used. We are flying into Paris and then driving to Aix-en-Provence, France. We will be there for 4 days. Could you please provide an itinerary for things that we could do that are within driving distance of Aix-en-Provence? We are going with our daughters, ages 15 and 11. We love the outdoors, culture, history, flowers, and nature, and seeing and experiencing unique things. So you just input that in, and ChatGPT has a free version and a paid version. I'm just using the free version for this, and it's already putting this out here. So it's giving me a routine. And so then what this did is it gave me a jumping off point. So then I took the answers that it gave me and then I Googled them to see, is that something that would be good for our family? So the thing that you can do is also say, could you please update this itinerary and provide distances and times from where we are staying. So that way you can kind of get an idea of it. So now it is re-updating it and it's giving me exact timelines of do this in the morning, do this in the afternoon, noon, this is like a 10-minute walk, this is a 5-minute walk, this is a 50-mile drive, or 50 miles, so it's about an hour and 20-minute drive, so that I can see, is this actually gonna work within what we're doing? So this made it a lot easier for us to plan our international trip with kids. Then I would also go into and ask more details about, what are some cultural things that I need to be aware of? What are some things as coming as an American tourist that I need to be mindful of within these settings? We actually rented a car, so my husband used ChatGPT to learn driving tips and what are their driving rules. It's truly unlimited. And again, if you don't get exactly the answer that you want, just reformat your prompt and then it's going to help you plan this international trip. Again, life is overwhelming enough. Let's use some of these tools that have been provided for us. I hope this video has been helpful. Please stay tuned as I share other tips that we have had traveling full-time in our RV and also now tackling international trips as a family. If you are somebody that is interested in these things and also essential oils, which has provided our income so we can travel as we do, please make sure you snag my essential oil guide for moms. It has recipes on diffuser recipes, beauty recipes, non-toxic living recipes, all compiled in one place, also to make your life easier. So you can find that link pinned in the comments and in the description below. Thank you for joining today. Have a wonderful day.